What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. We got another YEEZY 350, man. V2 this time. Today we're going to look at a full detail, in-depth review on the YEEZY 350 Ash Blue. And in my opinion, man, it's not a bad sneaker. But like I showed y'all in the beginning of the video, I feel like 350s is going to become the new Uptowns, man. They are oversaturated. But they do look nice. They do look clean. And I want to get into this video, man. So without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So, you got your same brown paper bag YEEZY box that we've been getting since the emergence of YEEZY and Adidas partnership when he left Nike. I said this over a million times. I promise I'm going to say it one more time. YEEZY, give us a different box. You're giving us the same sneaker, but you're changing the color. Just give us a different box. Put some colors on it or something. Don't get me wrong, I love the simplicity of the box. We've never seen nothing like this before. But I feel like it's time to change the box. Just a little bit. Change it. Black box, brown writing, reverse it a little bit like Jordan 1's been doing with the Fearless pack. But same original packaging, guys. But something's different. Bam. This card was in the box. And maybe the 350 V2s lately been coming out with this box. I mean, with this card inside the box. But I wouldn't know, like I told y'all, I've been off on 350 V2s. I think the last ones I brought was the black ones with a little bit of gray in it. That video's in the archive. Check that out. But yeah, this box here, you know, has the UK, the Chinese, the Korean language. Basically saying all the same thing about the special knitting of the sneaker. And yes, sir. You have your Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 V2 Ash Blue. The prime knit quality is A1, guys. I can't even lie about that. Yeah, the upper prime knit quality is like A1, man. A1, guys. So first, as you can see here, you have your denim vibes along the bottom of the sneaker. And that comes all the way to the inside of the sneaker, and you see the denim way more. In the content of the sneakers, it say that this line here is yellow. Being that I guess it's mixed with the denim look, it looks more of a beige to me, i.e. you get the word ash. It's like maybe like an ash yellow there. And your shoestrings have that cream taupe looking color, but it honestly just looks like if you mix denim with yellow, you get like this sandy brown look for the shoestrings. The bottom sports that cream, triple white cream YEEZY 350 look. A little bit of yellow in it already, i.e. off-white Virgil Abloh. Look like it's already like, you know, vintaging. You got your boost technology in there. And the back has that white to vintage look in the back. I think the first time we seen those was on like a brown pair of Yeezys. But as you can see, you got all white boost technology at the bottom. Then it yellows, browns up. And then it goes right back to that white. Yeah, man, so like, with me, man, I like YEEZY, man, 1000%. I just feel like the 350s are getting too replicated. They're coming out too much, too quick, and in the same kind of colorway. I think we got an ash gray or ash something last week. I happened to win these on the Adidas Confirm app. Shout out to Adidas, man. They gave me a tour of the Fifth Avenue flagship store when I went there to pick these up. Very dope people, man. But with these, man, I just don't know how I'm feeling yet. More description of the video. You see there's no pull tab here, i.e. Beluga 1.0. But they kind of fixed that technology lately because now you can pull the back. And if you look into the back, that's where you have your 3 stripes right there. It's easier to get the sneaker on right here by pulling here, pulling there. So no pull tab is needed. This is also where all the prominent connect and knit up right here. I don't know if that's the reason this makes this part brown, but that's where the knitting connects. So another way to look at the sneaker is the left side, the inner side of the sneaker is all denim. The outside you get your V2 line that they say is yellow, but to me is more of like a sandy beige. And that's how the sneaker connects there. The inside, some 350 V2s, the inside is translucent, but this one here, as you can see, you can hardly see through to the other side. You used to be able to put your finger right here. Of course, you can see my finger because I'm sticking it, but you can't like see my finger like see-through, like other V2s we've seen in the past. The insole is nice and clean, as it's like a white, maybe an off-white, as it reads YEEZY, Adidas logo, and Adidas. We already know YEEZY comes with these tags. And it used to be another tag. I guess that tag is the reason the card come down, so they didn't have to clip it to the actual sneaker. Freaking tags, man. Yeah, man, so let me know how y'all feel about these. Quick review, Adidas YEEZY Ash Blue. Like I told you, I didn't buy a 350 in a long time, and I thought it was time that I get behind this camera and give y'all a review on the Yeezys, but I don't know, man, how I'm feeling. I mean, if I'm just comparing the sneaker to other Yeezys, 350s, V2s, i.e., it's not in my top, but it's definitely a clean, dope colorway. I can see you getting away with khakis, blue jeans. That's the denim ash look. You can get away with khakis, all blue jeans, man. I mean, overall, it's a nice sneaker. It's just not one of my favorites. I got a whole bunch of sneaker content coming out, so hit subscribe if you ain't already. But more importantly, just hit like on this video. Let's scale up. You know, man, I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.